Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to play with Play-Doh. We're going to make fun shapes as well as learn colors. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, we have the dough machine. We have different kind of shapes. We have the grapes, we have the star, we have the banana, we have the gingerbread man, and we have the heart. Next, we have a roller. Next, we have two plates with different kind of shapes that we will use with the machine. And lastly, we also have this tool that we will insert Play-Doh inside, and you will get different shapes. We also have these fun shapes that we will also use. First, let's start off with the shapes. Now, let's get the blue. We'll get the star. Press it in. There you go. Next, we'll get the yellow. The grapes. Next we have the banana. Let's get the green. Next we have the gingerbread. Let's get the red. Press it in. And lastly, we have the heart. Let's do red again. Next, let's have some fun with the dough machine. Let's get white to form the dough. We're going to put the dough inside. Now, let's choose from the plate. Which shape should we do? Let's do the squares. So we enter it just like that. Let's move the shapes. And then we're going to press it down. Let's cut that. Next, let's do the flower. Let's remove this. Let's do, we can do different shapes here as well. Let's do the star. Let's enter the star. What color shall we do it? Let's do black. Roll it up. Press it down. There you have it. You have the long star. Okay, next, let's do green. I'm going to show you how the roller works. I'm going to flat it out. I'm going to use this. And get the shape. You can do another one. And you can finish this off. And lastly, let's do these circles. Let's do yellow for the star. We'll face it down. Let's do red for the flower. Face it down, press it in. And gently take it out. And lastly, we can do the snail. Let's do blue. Press it in. Gently pull it out. Now let's use the grinder. Let's put, we can do white. Let's do white and let's do blue. Push it in. And we have different shapes. There you have it, kids. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time. Bye.